Narendra Verma once again before you. As you know very well, in accountancy for class 12 CBSE syllabus, we have been dealing with chapter number 6, that is retirement and death of a partner. And previous video, I told you the concept of retirement and death of a partner. And in today's session, what we are going to do, we are going to attempt numerical question on the determination of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio on the retirement or death of a partner. Right? So without wasting much time, let's start. You will see the questions on your screen. I have written 3 of the problems here. Let's start with the first one. Ashish, Brijesh and Chetan are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 1 by 2, 2 by 5 and 1 by 10. Find the new profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners if Ashish retires, Brijesh retires and Chetan retires. So there are 3 situations, right? In normal question you will find a single situation, only one partner will retire, but here for the practice I have taken 3 of their retirement, right? So let's start. See, here the ratio is given in the fraction, right? So we'll have to convert it into the ratio form. How it will be done? By taking the LCM. If we take the LCM, then the LCM of these 2, 5, 10, it comes 10. Okay. Then for 1 by 2 multiply with 10, it comes 5. Okay. And similarly, it comes for this 4, and it comes for this 1. Okay. So their old ratio is 5:4:1, right? Now, let's focus. Who is retiring? Here in first case, Ashish is retiring. Means this one. Okay, so let's calculate for first case. Okay, see, it's very simple. If he is retiring, then remaining partner will share their profit and loss in this ratio, in the absence of any other information. Okay, so the answer in the first case is 4:1, right? And who are they? Brijesh and, I just write down here, Brijesh and Chetan, they will share. Now let's talk about second one. In second one, it's going to happen, Brijesh is retiring. Means now this one is retiring. Okay, so what was the ratio between Ashish and Chetan? It was 5:4. So answer will be 5:4. Ashish and Chetan. Now in third one, Chetan retires. Means now he is retiring. So the ratio will be calculated between these two. What is that? 5:4. Who are they? Ashish and Brijesh. It's very simple. Okay, it becomes very easy question. Now let's move on to problem number 2. Ashish, Brijesh and Chetan are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Brijesh retires. Okay, this one, middle one. Okay. His share is taken by Ashish and Chetan in the ratio of 2:1, means a specified one. Okay, calculate new profit sharing ratio. Okay, no problem. So who is retiring? Brijesh is retiring. So let's calculate for Ashish and Chetan. Okay, now we focused here. What is their existing ratio? We're talking about only Ashish and Chetan, right? So Ashish was getting 5 by 10. And Chetan was getting 2 by 10, right? Okay, now let's talk about their new ratio. Okay, Brijesh retires, fine. His share is taken by Ashish and Chetan in the ratio of 2:1. So new ratio will be calculated after adding the gained share. Okay, so let's add the gained share. Once again, read it. His share means Brijesh share. Brijesh share was there 3 by 10, right? Okay, it was taken by Ashish and Chetan in the ratio of 2:1. Means there became 2 parts of it. One 2 by 3, another 1 by 3. That goes to Ashish and it goes to Chetan. Now let's calculate it. It's 2 by 10 to Ashish and 1 by 10 to Chetan. Okay, now let's put these values here. Now 5 by 10 plus 2 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10. 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. Okay, so bases are equal. The new ratio between the two is 7:3. Alright, so very simple. We need to just understand the situation and according to that we will do the treatment. Okay, now let's move on to the problem number 3. Let's read it. Ashish, Brajesh and Chetan are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 1/2, 3/10 and 1/5 respectively. Brajesh retires and his share is taken by Ashish and Chetan in the ratio of 2:1. Then immediately Dinesh is admitted for 1/4 share of profit, half of which was given by Ashish and the remaining share was taken equally from Ashish and Chetan. Calculate profit sharing after Dinesh admission. Actually, in this question, there are two situations. One is of retirement, okay, and another is of admission. Okay, so no problem, we can do that. So very first, what we'll do, we'll take the LCM of these three, 2, 10, and 5. 10 will be the LCM. After putting the LCM, what ratio we are going to get? That will be the ratio 5:3:2. Okay. Now let's move on. We have to see that who is getting retirement. Brajesh. This middle one is getting retirement. Okay. And his share is taken by Ashish and Chetan in the ratio of 2:1. How much share he was getting? 3/10. So this 3/10 will be divided into two parts. One 2/3, another 1/3. As we did in the problem number 2. Okay. This will go to Ashish and this will go to Chetan. Let's calculate it now. 2/10 to Ashish and 1/10 to Chetan. Up to this, there is no problem. Alright. Now let's calculate new profit sharing ratio up to this level. What were the existing ratio of Ashish and Chetan? 5/10 and 2/10. Right? Then Brajesh retired and they gained some share. How much they got? Ashish got 2/10 and this Chetan got 1/10. It became 7/10 and 3/10. Okay, so their new ratio is 7:3. There is no problem up to this level. Okay, now let's move further. Now then immediately Dinesh is admitted for 1/4 share of profit, right? Okay, so here new partner has come, Dinesh. Okay, for 1/4 share. Now what the question says further? Question says that half of which was given by Ashish. Okay, so let's do the half of this. When we do half of this, then we get 1/8. Okay, so this 1/8 was sacrificed by Ashish. Okay, so what we'll do? Let the share be here in the same manner. Let's deduct the sacrifice share. Okay, so 1/8 is lost by Ashish. Let's move further. Then, and the remaining share was taken equally from Ashish and Chetan. Fine. So if we deduct 1/8 from 1/4, then we get 1/8. Okay, and this 1/8 is equally sacrificed by both the partners. Okay, so we'll have to make the two parts of it. So when we make the two parts, then we get 1/16 each. Okay, so 1/16 will be sacrificed by Ashish as well as by Chetan. Okay, so here we see that Ashish is sacrificing two times. One, the half portion 1/8 and another 1/16. Okay, and here, and this Chetan is losing only 1/16. Now let's calculate it. Whatever is the remaining one will be called the new ratio. Okay, how? I'll show you. Okay, so for Ashish it is 41/80. Right? Similarly, we'll calculate for Chetan. What we did for Ashish? You can have a look. 7/10 minus 1/8 minus 1/16 is equal to 7/10 minus 3/16. We have added that minus plus. Okay, and then we deduct this 3/16 out of 7/10. Then we got 56 minus 15 upon 80, and the result is 41/80. Similarly, let's calculate for Chetan. 3/10 minus 1/16. It comes to 24 minus 5 upon 80. That is equal to 19/80. Alright, so let's put this value here. Okay, bases are equal. Fine. But we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio after Dinesh admission. Now Dinesh is also a partner, so his ratio will also be included, right? Already we know what is the share of Dinesh, 1/4, but the base is of 80. If you want to equalize it, then what we'll have to do? We'll have to multiply with 20 at both the sides. Then we got 20/80. So this 20/80 is the ratio of B. So the new profit sharing ratio between Ashish, Chetan and Dinesh will be 41 is to 19 is to 20. That will be our final answer, right? So once again have a look. Nothing we did here. Okay, as the question said, we kept on doing. Up to this level, when the ratio was not admitted, the problem number 3 is similar to problem number 2. As you can see, the similar answer is coming here. Alright, but here the twist starts, so we'll follow that. 1 by 4, we made the half of it, that is 1 by 8, it was deducted. Okay, and then half, remaining 1 by 8 will be divided into 2 parts. As the question says that it is shared equally by both the partners, so it is deducted and the result is there in front of you. Right. So it was all about the problems based on the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Alright, now let's move forward towards the calculation of gaining ratio. Okay, for the same, you can see the questions on your screen. So, I have written the questions here, let's read them out. Starting with problem number 4. Ashish, Brijesh and Chetan are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1, right? Find out gaining ratio. So, this is very simple one. So, we got 3 situations. When Ashish retires, see, when Ashish retires means this is going. So, what is remaining? 2:1, right? So, that will be our answer. And let me tell you, this is new ratio as well as the gaining ratio. Okay, because no agreement is given further, that is why it will be treated as this. Brijesh and Chetan. Okay, now if Brijesh retires means this goes, then 3:1. This is the ratio between Ashish and Chetan. Now let's talk about third one. When Chetan retires, when this goes, so this is the ratio between Ashish and Brijesh. Right, 3:2. So that is what the answer. This is the new ratio as well as the gaining ratio. Okay, it's very simple situation one. Now let's move to another situation, problem number 5, when some specification is given. Okay, let's read it further. Ashish, Brijesh and Chetan are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 1 by 2, 3 by 10 and 1 by 5. Okay, we'll convert it. Let's do the conversion. We'll take the LCM. LCM will come 10. Okay, and for this it was 5, and for this it was 3, and for this it will be 2. So 5:3:2. Okay, we can do that. Okay, now Brijesh retires from the firm and Ashish and Chetan decide to share future profit in the ratio of 3:2. Calculate gaining ratio. Okay, no problem. So that is their new ratio. Okay, and that is their old ratio. So if we deduct old ratio from new ratio, we get gaining ratio. So simple formula will work here. Already I have taught you the formula. So we are calculating for Ashish and Chetan because Brijesh is retiring, right? Yes. So new ratio. What is the new ratio? We have just got 3:2 means 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. And what is the old ratio? It is 5 by 10 and 2 by 10, right? So now let's do the calculation. Out of 3 by 5, we deduct 5 by 10, the LCM will be 10. Okay, and here 1 by 10. So for Ashish, it will be 1 by 10. And let's calculate for Chetan. 2 by 5 minus 2 by 10. LCM is 10. It will be 4 minus 2. Means so the gaining ratio between the two is 1:2. That will be our answer for Ashish and Chetan. Right? So it is very simple one. We got new ratio, we deducted old ratio, we got as a result that is the gain ratio. Okay, now let's talk about the problem number 6. Okay, Ashish, Brijesh and Chetan are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. Right? Ashish dies in an accident and it was decided that profit sharing between Brijesh and Chetan will be as same as existing between Ashish and Brijesh. Let's focus here what they are trying to say. Ashish has died, right? This one has died. Now these two have to share the ratio, but the ratio will be this. So let's read the question what it says. It says the same that profit sharing between Brijesh and Chetan will be same as existing between Ashish and Brijesh, right? So the ratio which was there between Ashish and Brijesh now will be between Brijesh and Chetan, right? Now let's calculate the gaining ratio. Okay, so Brijesh and Chetan, they will have new ratio 3:2, right? The ratio which was earlier between Ashish and Brijesh, now will be between Brijesh and Chetan. It was 3:2. Okay, so 3/5 and 2/5, and the old ratio, the similar one, Brijesh had 2/6 and Chetan had 1/6. Now let's calculate it. Alright, you can have a look here. 3/5 minus 2/6, that is 8/30, and similarly 2/5 minus 1/6 is equal to 7/30. Bases are equal, so 8/7 will be the gaining ratio between Brijesh and Chetan. Got it? So this is the way how to attempt this question. The twist in this question was there only to understand this language. Okay, so already I told you that language is the issue. So focus on the language. Alright friends, so it was all about the calculation of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio in case of retirement and death of a partner. Right? Very soon I am going to meet you in the another video taking this concept further. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.